Yo, how is it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Derek. Right behind me is my custom Nissan hardbody lowrider build, and we are going to be cruising over to go check out a new project for the channel. We're going to be taking a look at it, seeing the condition of it. Apparently, it doesn't start, so that is kind of a hit or miss, but it could just be spark, fuel, who knows what. So let's over there now and go check out the car. No, I just want to hear it just turn over. That was the biggest thing for me. Okay, that's good. Okay. Well, boys, it just started up first try, so it's a buy. Oh man, this is pretty crazy. We're just gonna take this around the circle and see how she goes.
It's cool that the
I can feel the cut. Like you can feel it, like. I'm all good.
I don't know. I can't see.
Careful, we got a tree. There's a tree.
Where's the tree?
In the driveway?
Well, no.
Oh, on the side? No, it's okay. It's okay. I just thought I was going right towards it. I was like, whoa.
I'm just a bad
No,
driver. You're totally fine.
you're chilling. You're chilling. Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's so cool that the window controls are in the middle. That's so fun.
First drive. You ever do a burnout? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I mean, it feels good. I mean, it's a fixer-upper kind of thing, you know?
Right?
But this is the little...
But it started. You didn't even think it was going to start.
Yeah, this
Or
is...
we
Oh, yeah,
came here thinking it might not start.
Well, boys, new car. Hopefully it starts at home later. If not, at least we know it runs. All right, boys, I fumbled the AAA call. It's okay. We got the Peter coming to save us. What do you think?
I like it.
You like
It's
it?
super nice.
Oh, check this out. This little armrest, you press this big button.
Okay, that's what I was
And
just
the
trying. I
driver's
was like, I
seat got
hope this goes
armrest.
down.
There's a lot of cool functions. I noticed it's got a painted, kind of like a sunroof, I think we could call it. Look at that mini visor. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun car, boys. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this. I mean, granted, the LS400 was ahead of this car. It was ahead of its time entirely, but this still is a beautiful luxury car. I mean, check this thing out. Still the original radio. Look at that. Look at that. What is that? It's a dual cassette player. Yeah, it's dual cassette. Yeah. See, we're youngins, boys.
You know what I was doing earlier? I was reaching
Oh,
over
these are
here
cup
trying
holders?
to open this.
Yeah, that's funny.
And it locks.
We don't get cup holders. That is insane. Lex and I are exploring right now, and she just noticed the little Mercedes-Benz wrench. That's such a cool little novelty. Actually, just gonna leave it in the car. I'm sure we're gonna. All right, guys, as we wait for our friend to get here with the trailer, I was digging around the trunk, and I just found these. It's like a present, bro. Like I hope these fit. I hope they're the right lens. That would be beautiful on the front of this. Clears. Man, it has from Eagle Eyes. The tail lights, I believe, are from Eagle Eyes, because in that Eagle Eye box, there's factory tails. Look at these. Never even put on the car. That is awesome. Those are definitely going on at some point. What, we got new rotors or something? What a gift, man. That is crazy. He said it needs a ball joint in the front, which is good to know. Whole car cover. I mean, this is just awesome. I don't even have wheel spacers. What? That's, oh man, all new lugs and stuff. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm just like astounded. All sorts of parts. There's a fuel pump in here somewhere. Wow, this is crazy. This must be the filter or something. I don't know. 2 pumps. I'm not too sure. We'll dive into it later. I'm just kind of taking a quick look, and I think we got one other part in here, which is adorable. Maybe we'll add it though, because it's free and. You know, why not, you know? Get that little on there. Little Ricer mods. You got it.
No.
But there she is in the trailer. Boys, beautiful sunset. We got the car all loaded up now, and we are heading home. So we had to make a quick stop, and I wanted to show you guys our friend Peter's 1953 Chevy he just picked up. This thing is a beaut. Very, very, to this car, these big humps out here. Take a look at this thing. we are not taking a look in this thing now. But check that out. The spotlights are kind of a cool touch on there. Just real old school. What a sexy car. I wanted to show you a quick clip of that. Hopefully we'll see this thing up and running at some point though. We're home now. We're unpacking the truck, and this is sick. What's up, guys? It's a new day, new morning, and right behind me is our new 1990 Mercedes 300E. I still don't know a lot about it, honestly. I got a lot of work to do, that is for sure. But I am super happy that this thing is in the driveway, and very excited to modify this thing. Hopefully it's a car that I have for a good amount of time, and man, it is just beautiful. I flipped the camera so we can kind of walk around it and talk about a couple of things. Nice thing is, I don't really have to go too crazy cleaning it. It's very, very nice on the inside. I mean, it's really nice. I'll still vacuum it out, but almost no reason to. It's got a really, really unique car smell. Nice window switches into the doors back here. Little ashtray. Folding center for the rear. There's a little first aid kit factory right there. The headrests come up. Then we go to the front, and there's tons of other unique options. When I lock the doors, all the doors are supposed to lock, but the battery is so unbelievably dead right now. So that's something I'm going to be going to pick up this morning. Tons of other just unique factory options. So we get this little mini visor like I talked about. Mirrors in both visors. This one's sagging. We got a color matched sunroof on the top, and you got your little folding armrest in the center for the driver. 104,000 miles on the clock, boys. That's awesome. This wood grain is the only one cracking. This one's very faded, but who knows? I kind of like it with the blue, honestly. It's very tasteful. Got a little light. Yeah, look at this. Battery is so dead, the little reading light can't even come on. The kid told me that it has a parasitic draw, so that is something we'll have to look into. But like I said, glove box sits here. I mean, we kind of walked around it last night a little bit. I'll end up doing like a full one-on-one video on it at some point as well. Pretty unique is there's a big square mirror on the passenger side, and then a thinner mirror on the driver's side. That's just factory. It's how these literally come out of the box. Tons of other little weird features like wipers for your headlights. Apparently these are auto dimming mirrors for when a bright light hits it. There's that sunroof. And like I said, if we walk around, I mean, I'm sure there's tons of other weird options. It is the auto, unfortunately. I don't know if they came with a manual yet. So like I said, those are the facts. I'll give in like a one-on-one video in the future. Only real body damage is like right here. A couple little bubbling spots like on this back door. It's got a little bit of bubbling up there. A little worried to see what could possibly be hiding behind these panels. But everything, like all the door jambs are, really clean for what it is. No big bubbling there. It's got the aftermarket taillights. A lot of stuff in the trunk. I think that's a big thing of what I'm going to be doing is just I'm going to take off this little badge at some point. Just a little random. And I don't know, we got to walk around it. There is some bubbling on this driver's door in the same spot as well. That's the worst of it on the car. And there's one more bubble back here. So, I don't know. Maybe we'll find some white doors in the future. Maybe we won't. It really doesn't matter. It's not a big deal. Worst comes to worst, we sand it up, touch it up, and leave it. But first thing I got to do is take a rag and kind of go over and clean this thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Look, it's even inspected too. I mean, really can't go wrong. All right, we're going through now. It's cleaning up a little bit better, actually. I'm excited. It's going to look a little nicer than I thought it did, which is pretty sick. Just got to really, just using water. But it does have a factory mono wiper too, which is so sick. And just going to go through and scrub this thing down. And then after I finish cleaning it, I'm going to go get a battery. I do know the car was stalling out on the last owner while driving. Thinks it's something to do with fuel. I watched a couple videos, so we're going to go through just all the basics. Still going over it. So these fingerprints are pretty deep in there. I'm gonna have to find some sort of solution to clean that up. That'll kind of wake up the white, especially on this fender, man. It is dark. So we'll get that all cleaned up. I think it was on the car when I bought it without realizing. Lots of little things to clean. Like I said, this is pretty black. It just looks like it's never been really wiped down, or he said the car's been sitting a minute too. It's pretty cool that at first sale sticker, but It's got to come off. Just doesn't fit the look of anything. I was considering debadging, not because it's a base model. I don't care about any of that stuff, honestly. Just for a cleaner look, though. But I think I'll wait to try to debadge until I have, like, some sort of wing on it or something. Oh, man, I don't really know the full style of where we're going with it yet. Alrighty, so this is actually my first time ever owning anything Euro, and I got a lot to learn, boys. I believe everything should be metric on this. Should be. That's what I'm gaining. Obviously, US is the only one using standard stuff. I believe it's probably like a 14 mil. So I'm gonna undo the positive and the negative terminals and get this battery out and go get a new one. As I just said, let's use metric tools. I got a 1/2 inch wrench on here, working perfect. Battery is so dead, it's crazy. All right, let's get this out. Let's go get a new one. We got it out. It just had to be wiggled out of there. Honestly, this is so clean too. Like, obviously the tray's surface rusted, but it's not rotted. Wow, this is just such a beautiful car, man. Gonna vacuum it all up when I get home. Just successfully acquired this really heavy battery. And on our way back, gotta unlock the door. All right, let's get in there. Oh yeah. The fun part of, like, new cars, getting them all cleaned up, honestly. Stuff's kind of enjoyable. Not stressful, easy to do. Then we'll get the battery in here. Drop the battery back in there. And let's see what happens. Close this up. So yesterday when I drove it in a short clip, when I just went around the little cul-de-sac there, it was cutting out real bad. And I think a lot of that had to deal with the battery, not so much of a fuel issue. But, yeah, way more lively. Wow. Dude, listen to this thing. It literally runs. We tried to jump it to get it on the truck yesterday, and it wouldn't even go and drive anymore. Let's look at this thing. Yeah, baby. Let's go. So sick. Bring it up the driveway, see what happens. Obviously, he said it was stalling, so I just have to drive it until it stalls and then kind of diagnose from there. But, wow, this is awesome. It's so smooth and quiet. Window goes right down. Real scared to try to open this, but let's see. Oh, no way! Yo! That's so sick! Alright. Here we are, boys. The Benzino. Let's go. Alright. Holy! 6-cylinder, this has some power. Can't leave the driveway, though. This thing rips. In the driveway, anyway. You know, it's like just that small little clip. That was so sick. Look at this, dude. This thing loves it. I heard the radio's disconnected. I'll probably get that going again. Probably gonna have to change the aftermarket. Unless my cassette to aux works. I forgot this is a cassette player. I think we're gonna park this next to the purple truck, get a clip, and you know, maybe I'll tie up the video here. I'm just real excited, honestly. I was not expecting that. This thing is phenomenal. Holy. Oh, let's hear the horn. Way more lively. Look at that thing, man. 90, 91, 97, 91. But it's so cool, man. I'm hyped. New little addition. Lexus truck's a 97 as well. I mean, just love our 90s cars, and for good reason. So, wow, I'm really, really happy, honestly. Probably going to let this get up to operating temperature. I think I'm going to close out the video here, though, guys. Thank y'all so much for checking it out. We're going to dive in, just get everything mechanically sound, oil change, go through the fluids, XYZ, you know, all the fun stuff. That's next video, though. So if you guys want to see some more content on the Benz, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. We got some cool stuff coming next vid. And peace out.